Today I am reviewing the Ninja CREAMi Ice Cream Maker. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. The Ninja CREAMi NC299AMZ is one of those kitchen appliances that instantly makes you wonder why homemade frozen desserts ever needed to be complicated. Ice cream makers have existed for years, but many of them require rock salt, pre-frozen bowls, constant monitoring, or produce inconsistent textures. The Ninja CREAMi takes a very different approach, focusing on simplicity, customization, and creamy results that genuinely feel close to premium ice cream shop quality. After spending time making ice cream, gelato, smoothie bowls, sorbet, milkshakes, and mix-in creations, it becomes clear that the Ninja CREAMi is more than just another trendy kitchen gadget. It is a surprisingly versatile frozen dessert system that gives users a level of control and creativity that traditional ice cream makers often cannot match. The first thing that stands out about the Ninja CREAMi is how compact and modern it looks. The black finish gives it a clean and premium appearance that fits naturally into most kitchens without looking overly bulky or complicated. While it does take up some counter space vertically, the footprint itself remains fairly manageable compared to many traditional compressor-based ice cream machines. Setup is refreshingly simple. Instead of dealing with messy freezing chambers or complicated assembly, the process mainly involves preparing your ingredients inside the included pint container, freezing the pint for about 24 hours, and then placing it into the machine when ready to process. That simplicity makes the entire experience much more approachable for beginners and families. One of the biggest strengths of the Ninja CREAMi is customization. This machine is perfect for people who want control over their ingredients, whether for health reasons, dietary preferences, or simply personal taste. You can create traditional rich ice cream one day and switch to low sugar, keto, dairy-free, vegan, or protein-packed frozen treats the next. That flexibility is honestly one of the most exciting parts of owning the machine. Instead of being limited to store-bought flavors loaded with sugar or preservatives, users can experiment with fresh fruits, protein powders, almond milk, coconut milk, chocolate, peanut butter, or virtually any ingredient combination imaginable. It transforms frozen dessert, making into a genuinely creative process. The real magic of the CREAMi comes from Ninja's Creamify Technology and the Creamerizer paddle system. Unlike traditional churn-style ice cream makers, the Ninja CREAMi shaves and churns frozen bases into smooth, creamy textures. The result feels surprisingly rich and soft, especially considering many recipes begin as solid frozen blocks. Texture quality is where this machine truly impresses. Ice cream comes out smooth and scoopable. Gelato feels dense and creamy. Smoothie bowls have thick cafe-style consistency, and sorbets turn out refreshing and vibrant. Even protein ice creams and healthier recipes maintain surprisingly satisfying textures rather than becoming icy or crumbly, like many homemade frozen desserts often do. The 7-1 Touch programs are another excellent feature because they simplify the process significantly. Whether you're making ice cream, gelato, sorbet, smoothie bowls, milkshakes, light ice cream, or adding mix-ins, each mode is specifically optimized for texture and consistency. You do not need to constantly guess settings or manually adjust speeds. The mix-in function deserves special attention because it adds a fun and highly customizable element to the experience. Once your frozen base is processed, you can add ingredients like cookie pieces, candy, chocolate chips, nuts, fruit chunks, caramel swirls, or brownie bites. The machine distributes them evenly throughout the dessert, creating results that genuinely resemble premium ice cream shop creations. Families especially will likely love this feature because it makes dessert creation interactive and personalized. Everyone can customize their own flavors and textures rather than settling for a single store-bought option. Kids, in particular, will probably enjoy experimenting with different combinations. Another standout feature is the respin function. Sometimes, depending on the recipe or ingredient balance, a frozen dessert may come out slightly firmer or more crumbly after the first cycle. Instead of forcing users to manually troubleshoot, the respin option quickly improves the texture, making the dessert softer and creamier. This feature helps make the machine feel more forgiving and beginner-friendly. The included pint container is practical and convenient for storage. The storage lid allows users to keep unfinished frozen treats directly in the freezer without transferring them to another container. Cleanup is also fairly easy since the pint, lid, and paddle are dishwasher safe, which removes much of the frustration often associated with homemade dessert appliances. Performance-wise, the 800-watt motor handles processing very effectively. The machine sounds fairly powerful during operation, and while it is not whisper quiet, the processing cycles are relatively short. The strong motor is necessary to shave and creamify frozen mixtures efficiently, so the noise level feels understandable considering the performance. One thing users should understand is that this is not an instant ice cream machine. Since the base needs to freeze beforehand, planning ahead is part of the experience. However, once the pint is frozen, the actual processing only takes a few minutes, which is much faster and easier than many traditional ice cream making methods. There are also some limitations worth mentioning. The included package only comes with one pint container, which may feel restrictive for larger households or people wanting multiple flavors prepared at once. Many users will probably want to purchase additional compatible pints for convenience. Another point is that the machine is specifically compatible with certain Ninja pint models, so buyers should pay attention to accessory compatibility before purchasing extras. Fortunately, the system itself remains straightforward once you understand which accessories work with the NC299 and NC300 series. Overall, the Ninja CREAMi NC299AMZ delivers one of the most enjoyable and versatile homemade frozen dessert experiences currently available. It combines convenience, creativity, strong performance, and genuinely impressive texture quality into a machine that feels both fun and practical. Whether you love classic ice cream, healthier frozen treats, protein desserts, smoothie bowls, gelato, or customizable mix-ins, the Ninja CREAMi makes the process simple while producing results that feel surprisingly professional. For dessert lovers, fitness enthusiasts, families, or anyone wanting more control over their frozen treats, this machine can easily become one of the most entertaining and frequently used appliances in the kitchen.